Tradingview Affiliate Program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Tradingview. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tradingview Affiliate Program, just click the link in the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tradingview, it is a comprehensive charting platform and social network designed for traders and investors, boasting over 60 million users globally, in which it provides a rich array of tools and features that enables users to analyze financial markets, share trading ideas, and develop strategies. And also the platform core functionality includes advanced charting capabilities, customizable indicators, and a wide selection of technical analysis tools. And now that we know the overview of this platform, Tradingview, to start joining to their affiliate program, all you need to do is simply go to their footer section, in which it will show in here a variety of options. But before we proceed to the affiliate program, we could also use or start earning money using this option, Refer a Friend button. By clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you that you could also get $15 upon inviting or referring any other user in here. And now to proceed, just click this Get Referral Link button. Then you can now start signing in using your Google account, using your email, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. But in those options, let's say I'm going to choose to sign in using my Google account. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you that you can simply enter here your username and just proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed. And after that, you'll now be able to see here on the sidebar or on the right side panel how we can start referring a friend, in which it will show us under this Refer a Friend a referral link in which we can simply copy this and send it directly to our friends, or you could also send this via email, Facebook, or Twitter. And below here, it will show you that you can simply track here the coins that you've been earned upon referring a friends in here. And aside from that, on the top panel, you could also navigate this redeeming section, this get coin section, and also more. And under this get coins, it will show you how many coins you can possibly earn and also the equivalent of it in dollars. So from here, you can simply purchase the number of coins with the corresponding prices below here. And now to redeem the coins that you earn, you can click this redeem section right here, in which it will show you how you can spend your coins. So basically, all of your earnings or all of your coins can be redeemed to upgrade your account on this platform. So it is not be directed on your account, such as on your bank account, since all of the coins that you earn will now be redeemable only to upgrade your account on this platform, such as to make your account premium, essential, plus, or premium plan. But that's just other way on how you can earn on this platform. But going back in here, aside from that, you could also earn money and withdraw it directly to your account by joining to the affiliate program. And to do that, kindly click this partner program button below under For Business. Then you will be directed on this page. And it will show you from here the overview about Tradingview Affiliate Program, in which it offers a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to monetize their audience by promoting Tradingview's services. And below are the commission that you can get, and you can earn cash for every first-time subscribers you refer. For the essential plans, you will get a $10 monthly or $60 annually, and also the plus amounting to $20 monthly and annually $80. While for premium plan, you will get a $40 monthly and $100 annually. And also below here, it will show you some other benefits that you will get, and the person that you refer will get $15 to put toward the cost of their new Tradingview plan. And for the partner tools, you will gain access to dedicated support, detailed reports, real-time tracking, and high-quality creatives. And also in terms of payments, it is made within 30 days after the end of the month. And aside from that, it will show you in here that they offer $17.5 EPC, in which it is the average earn per 100 clicks. And below here, before we proceed joining to the affiliate program of Tradingview, we could also click this partner program rules, in which it will show in here some of the things that you need to consider before joining to the affiliate program of Tradingview, including about the promotion, in which they accept traffic from all countries. And now in terms of commissions, affiliates can earn commissions ranging from $10 to $1,500 depending on the type of subscription sold. And the program features also a recurring commission structured of 30% on each payment made by the referred users, with a 90-day cookie duration that allows affiliates to earn referrals who sign up and subscribe within that time frame. And now to proceed joining to the affiliate program, just simply click this become a partner right here. And it will show in here some other details, including the quick payouts, more earnings, in which it says here that you can earn up to $350 for the first monthly subscription and up to $1,500 for annual ones. And once verified, earnings can be deposited directly into your account. So unlike earlier, which is to refer a friend, the earnings that you get will only redeemable to upgrade your plan in here. But on this referral program, it will show you that you could also start depositing directly to your account or withdraw it on your account. And now from here to proceed, just click this Let's Go button below here. Upon clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel or this sidebar some of the details, including the links in here. It will show us our target link, our affiliate ID, and if you scroll down right here, it will show you in here the final link, which we can use to send it directly in our friends via email, Facebook, on any other social media platform. And when a user tries to click this link, they will be able to be directed in here, in which they can simply sign up. And once they purchase one of the plan in here, we will earn a commission from it. But as I said earlier, it is also depends on what plan they purchase, in which the higher the plan that they purchase, the higher the commission that we will get. Now going back in here, aside from that, below we could also see some other guidelines we need to follow, such as to avoid purchasing Tradingview subscription through our own referral link, do not promote false Tradingview discounts or create discounts that do not exist, and many more. So these are basically some of the guidelines that we need to follow for being an affiliate on this Tradingview. And at the top panel, you can also navigate here the number of clicks, in which you also need to remember that the above click data is approximate. So to track the exact number of clicks, you could use your own click tracker. And from here, you could also change this into all the time, today, yesterday, last 7 days, and many more, in order to track the number of clicks on your referral link. Moving on to that panel, you could also navigate these reports, in which it will show in here the data of total purchases, our affiliate commission balances, and as you can see below, you could also export more details to CSV in here. Moving on the top panel, by navigating this finance section, it will show us in here some other overview, including the payment statistics or our lifetime earnings balances. We could also track here the pending, approved, and even the paid amount. And now in terms of payment rules, it will show you that the payouts are only made once a month after 30-day hold period. So the payments are typically sent within the first 2 weeks of the following month. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $100 US. And now that we know how this affiliate program works and where you can withdraw your money and track the progress of your performance, we can now start knowing on how we can promote our affiliate program of this Tradingview platform. But you could also use other kind of platform, including this System.io, in which it's an all-in-one marketing platform designed to simplify the management of online businesses. So you can basically use this platform to build and launch sales funnels, run webinars, and create membership sites without requiring extensive technical skills. And you could also attach it with your referral link or promotional link of Tradingview affiliate program. And aside from that, you could also use your social media account to start posting about the benefits and also features that offer of Tradingview. And you could also include this final link in your caption. And if some users try to click that link and start purchasing some of the plan, we will start earning a commission. So overall, that is just basically who you can join to Tradingview affiliate program. Thank you.